Hi guys, welcome back to Pipro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about how we can create a clipboard using Python. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions. So you can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So let's get started with the program. On the program, and let's see the output of the program. So we'll go through the importing all the necessary libraries here. So Tkinter is for creating a graphical is as you are aware of. Tkinter as goal text is submodule provides a text widget which is text widget automatically add horizontal and vertical scroll bar text content the widget and also item library is for working with the images and videos. And also important is Clipboard. Clipboard provides for encoding text using base 64 encoder. Let's move on to the classes of the So here the main class is Clip Viewer, and under that we have the first function as a basic interface wala function, and then we have the main part of the program which is the monitor clipboard. Here all the things of adding whatever is copied to the clipboard, everything takes place. And later in the program we have the main loop for running the program. So let's go by one function right now, which is first one is to the GUI interface. So here the constructor initializes the application window and its components, and the master the root window of the application. It creates two GUI elements, a scroll text widget in the text box for displaying the text content from the clipboard, and the label, the main label of the GUI interface is image box for displaying the image content from the clipboard. And also the monitor clipboard method is called to start the monitoring of the clipboard, which we are giving in the next part of the program. So let's go to the next part of the program. So the next part of the program is the main part. So let's see how that works, the clipboard works. So here this method continuously monitors the clipboard content. So whatever we are copying, if it's showing over there, it's continuously um, reading and making sure it is present, and it attempts to read the contents of the clipboard using self.master clipboard get. So it continuously again reads by this statement. If the clipboard contains an image determined by checking if the contents start with the image, it decodes the base 64 encoder image data, opens it as an image using PIL, converts it to Tkinter compatible format using image tk.photoimage and displays it in the image box. So not only the text can be you can see in the clipboard, it's also the image can be copied to the clipboard. If the clipboard contains text, it displays the text in the text box. If the clipboard is empty or is an unsupported format, it clears both the text box and the image box. So if it is in some format that you can actually not open, then the text box and the image box both will be cleared. It schedules the next clipboard check using after self dot master dot after 1000 self-monitor clipboard to continuously monitor clipboard every 1000 milliseconds, which is equal to 1 second. So the content in the board is continuously monitored for about 1000 milliseconds, which is a second. So just look at the program and see all the initialized things in the program. Here in the main loop, the box it checks if the script is being run directly, not imported as a module, and it creates a Tkinter window root which initializes Clipboard Viewer and the class and starts the Tkinter event loop using root.main loop. So if you import this entire program as a module and try to execute it, it won't work. Only if it is directly executed, it works. So let's quickly check the output of the program. So here I'm opening where the folder name is. I'm copying the folder name and command prompt, opening a command prompt, Python space control V dot py. So you can see a clipboard viewer. This is the user interface. Now let me show you by copying a text. So let me copy lion. As you can see, the lion has been displayed. Let me run the program once again and let me copy the code itself now. So let me copy the main part of the program. So I have Control C and you can see the program which has been displayed and it always checks for 1 second. It always refreshes for 1 second. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.